Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. You have to start by open the application and now click on your headphones, scroll down and go to updates. Now check is you have the last version. If you haven't it, just install the last version. Now the second method is to make a hard reset. So let's go to the settings here and now put it to the charging case and press and hold this connectional button. Here we go, we have this red LED light here. Now we should remove it from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, if you have iOS, sorry. Then forget device. Now click pair new device and click on your headphones here. Now check it in the application, did you have the same battery level? And the last method is to fully charge your headphones, so just put it to the power and wait and check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.